In this video, we are going to learn how to use streams with list. Streams are API of Java that let us manipulate collections. We can also see streams as iterators over collections of data. First, I'm going to import Java util package. And now in main function, I'm going to create a list. List, and that will be L. And here I'm going to create a list of string. So, and name it L. Uh, and then I will use arrays method as list to create a list for us. Pass in car, cat, and dog. And now I'm going to get a stream from our list, and stream of type string, and I'll name it as, and then L dot stream to get the stream. And now I'm going to print. I also need to import Java util stream package. Import java.util.stream. And now I'm going to print the elements of this array with the string. We can do that easily by calling its method for each s dot for each, and then pass in our system dot out dot line system dot out print line. This line will print the elements of our list. Just gonna save it and run our program. You can see the elements of a list is printed. So this way we can use stream to print the elements of a list very easily. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.